Let's learn alphabet A to Z.
A to Z.
A
A,
B
B,
C
C,
D
D,
E
E,
F
F,
G
G,
H
H,
I
I,
J
J,
K
K,
L
L,
M
M,
N
N,
O
O,
P
P,
Q
Q,
R
R,
S
S,
T
T,
U
U,
V
V,
W
W,
X
X,
Y
Y,
Z.
Z.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for balloons.
B for balloons.
C for candy.
C for candy.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for razor.
A for razor.
F for fruits. G for guava.
E for guava.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for island.
I for island.
J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
K for ketchup.
K for ketchup.
L for leopard.
L for lip.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for noodles.
M for noodles.
O for ostrich.
O for ostrich.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Q for quilt.
Q for quail.
R for ring.
R for ring.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak, yak, yak.
Z for zoo.
V for zoo, zoo.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye bye.